What's good, everybody? It's your boy iSooSwaggy here, and today I got something cool for y'all. Today I'm starting a new series where I like to unbox new things that I'm buying, something that's always cool for you. Alright, so this is what I got, as you can see by the title. Well, bam! This is a Nerf rival Palo series, you know. And I know in the comments below they'd be like, hey, he's a grown-ass man, but he's still playing with toys. No, this ain't toys. Read that. Boom. Hold on, get that. Age is 14 plus, and yeah, 14 plus. Alright, so I got this at Walmart. I was walking with my friend, like, hey, I kinda wanna get a gun to shoot all my friends with. No offense. But something that's like not gonna kill them or hurt them, but something just to shoot them around with, you know? So I got this. I got extra bullets, cause you know I'd be losing a lot of things. So I got that too, and let's get this going. I will be doing shooting tests too, and since none of my friends are around, I'm gonna be shooting my dad. So let's start to unbox this. Okay, so first, it says 100 FPS. You know what I'm saying? That's for like spring action, I guess. But enough about that. Let's get to this unboxing. Boom. More cardboard. Oh shoot. These are the balls that it comes with. This is a white and black version. I've seen a yellow one too before, but I decided to get this one. And nothing else inside the box. Kabam! The gun itself. Now, oh, here's like that sample thing where they kept out where you could touch. So take that out. Got a manual right here. Let you guys read that, pause it, read it if you guys want, up to you, your choice. But you know me, that's not my style. I don't read. There you go, more instructions, so get that out the way. Got the ammo right here. Let me cut this out. Yee. Boom. Boom. This is the clip where I put the ammunition in. Spring action too. Take the sample ball out. Oh, shoot. Gotta get the other way. Boom. 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 It's actually a lot of air in here. I thought it would be a lot harder. But yeah. That's Nerf for you. And gotta cut these out. Boom. Boom. So yeah, since I like to buy a lot of things, I decided I'd rather do unboxing videos from now on now. Just to show you guys what I'll be buying. Clothes wise, shoes wise, hobby wise, whatever. Boom. The gun itself. No batteries for this. This is all spring action. I believe you pull this to shoot. Get that? Oh, it's not shooting. It's not safety. Nope. Nope. Oh, I have a lock. Jam. Hold on.
2 hours later.
So I believe put it in through the top like that. Boom. Let's put one in. See how it goes. I believe it goes in like that. Nope. Nope. Oh, there it goes. Boom. Still not shooting. I don't know what's wrong with this. There. Oh, shoot. So I guess that's how you shoot it. Alright, let me try it again. I'm gonna take out the clip now. Oh, for you guys that don't know, there's a clip button right here. Push it, boom, comes out. Now let me fill this up with some bullets, and we're gonna do some shooting. Load this baby up. 1, 2, 3. I think this thing only holds about 12 balls per clip. That's 4, 5, 6. And let me go get the other one. Figure out how to shoot this thing for real, for real. on, go in. Oh, I see. I figured it out now. You have to cock back. To shoot this, you have to go like this. I don't know if you can see it. Cock back and go back forward, then shoot. Ready? Wow. Woo! Now let's go shoot my dad with this. Shit. Alright guys, as you can see from the previous clip, when I shot my dad, I had to cut it off because my dad was more scared than he was to get shot. I shot him again directly. He said it didn't hurt at all, but so I bought this for no reason basically. Oh shit, I forgot it was loaded. I wanted to buy it to hurt my friends, but I guess doesn't hit that value. But yeah, pretty cool. Shoot around the house, you know, we got nothing else to do. But other than that, like and subscribe, comment down below, turn on your notification bell, and keep it swaggy. I'm out. Peace.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gang. Slow it down. Bust it.